The dragon fruit starts its life with a whisper, emerging from a tiny black seed hidden in the desert sand.
As a cactus, the dragon fruit plant is a master of water conservation, storing life within its thick, fleshy ribs. To bear heavy weight, the dragon fruit vine must first build a strong, woody core and a wide, healthy canopy.
The dragon fruit prepares for a grand performance, growing a flower bud that is as large as a fruit itself.
Known as the moonflower, the dragon fruit blossom opens only once, choosing the silence of the night to reveal its beauty.
Under the moon, nocturnal pollinators complete the sacred task that turns a blossom into a dragon fruit.
The flower is gone, but the miracle has begun. The base of the bloom is now the heart of the dragon fruit.
The dragon fruit vine channels every drop of rain to nourish the growing treasure hanging from its side.
The green dragon fruit grows to the size of a large mango, with the green scales curving outward.
The transformation begins. Chlorophyll gives way to vibrant pigments as the dragon fruit prepares for maturity.
The neon magenta color of the dragon fruit is a natural warning to protect the precious seeds hidden within.
The dragon fruit rind becomes a rich, intense red pink, indicating high sugar content.
Sugar and water are now perfectly balanced. The dragon fruit has reached its pinnacle of flavor. Anchored firmly to the woody vine, the dragon fruit is ready to share its refreshing essence. The desert cactus has delivered a neon masterpiece. The dragon fruit is reborn.
Genesis of the moonflower is complete. Witness the harvest on Harvest Motion.